Lona ngumnyaka wesine kunalo mcimbi weMakoti Festival lobuthanisa emave lamane lekule Kangwane, iLesotho, iNingizimu Afrika kanye neleMozambique. Lo mcimbi unanziswa ngebahlabeleli bangaphandle kwakuleli kanye-ke nakuleli. Ngalesihlanu kuthulwe ngalokusemthethweni iMakoti Festival lekuleli langa lanamuhla. CEO waka-Art and Culture Stanley Dlamini ukhuthate abahlabeleli bakuleli ukuthi benteke letibukwako.
What Makoti means. Basically, from the culture space, we normally say it's a cultural exchange program where we look into other cultures and celebrate in a space.
Thandekile Msibi ukhulume ngebumcoka balomcimbi kubomakoti.
As Makoti Festival sithi kuBamakoti awukusho ukuthi nje hlala ebhodweni kuphela. Sithi kuMakoti Festival with everything that has happened, bomakoti abahlanganyeli kuMakoti Festival. Kuhlanganyela kwabo ngebenani baxoxisana ngemabhizinisi, baxoxisana neke ukuthi ke kuba umakoti kuyini from growing up.
Labanye bebahlabeleli labade bebananzisa nabo ke batikhulumele.
Hlezi kumnandi ngendlela eyisimanga ukuza kwi-event la abantu bakhona baya support and understand umaskandi, so ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi ulifana naleli.
Kepha ngiyephi ingoma lo dume ngayo kakhulu, shayela umucube munye nje.
Sibathengela khona kusasa.
Ukuchaza ngabo makoti thine bahlabelela abanye abantu nabalanze mhlambe bangaphandle babeka labangaphandle embili thine sibele ngemva kwabo, but wena ubeke phambili eMaswati. I wish ukuthi ke ngalelinye ilanga kube kukhulu kunalokho. I pray for wena makoti.
But nje when I'm on stage ngeke uhlale ungajabuli. That's what I do. I'm on the stage, I make everyone happy all the time.
I'm so excited to feel as women together and united. Thank you so much for the invitation. I love you. Thank you for everyone that is at the moment watching us. Come and see how us African Makotis are.
Labanye balabahlabeleli lekubheke ukuthi bananzise kulo mcimbi bafake ekhathi Dr. Rebecca Malope waseNingizimu Afrika, Gatsheni waseNingizimu Afrika, Young Zesh kuleli kanye-ke nalabanye. Lo mcimbi njengoba ke sikhuluma ubanjelwe eMalkens Country Club ngenhlanhla Twilight Indzabeni Channel yeMaswati kaManzini.